Hi guys, so this is my Nissan 350Z. So today in this video I'm going to be washing it with the washing equipment. So it's quite dirty. Previous owner left it filthy, like there's a layer of dust all on it. You probably can't see because it's bright, but it's got aftermarket wheels on it. It's got two 45s I think in the front, and then it's got two 75s in the rear. So nice and meaty in the rear. There's my dog. Oi. Yeah, so it's got aftermarket tail lights, it's got an exhaust. Interior is also filthy, but yeah. It's just gunk and stuff with that, and the whole, it's got aftermarket head unit and just, ugh. Filthy in there. So today's video I'm going to be washing it, and then the next video I'll be doing an interior clean. Let's get into this video right now. First I want to take off the front plate because I want to get the dirt behind it. I've already taken the rear off, but I want to do the front ones as well. So I'm just going to do the exhaust tip, and I'll give it once over like a little rinse, and then I'm going to chamois it, which gets all the water off. Okay, the GoPro died on me, but here's the finished product. Nice and clean, everything packed away. So while it's charging up, rims are nice and clean. There you can do with polish, but we don't have any polish. Interior, that's going to be the next video because it's filthy as. Have to get rid of that mark. See if I can get the headlights a bit more clearer. Clean the plates. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to tell me down in the comments below. I'll give you a little bit of an angle. Yeah.
Look at my life, feel my pain.